Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Click on search bar and type here cmd run as administrator, select as. Now type these commands carefully. You will get all these commands in the description below. Just copy them and paste on command prompt window and hit enter to execute them. Now just follow my screen. After that, enter this command and hit enter. Then type net stop command. These commands are really important. To avoid mistakes, just copy all commands one by one and paste here and hit enter to execute them. Now execute this command, cryptsvc. After that, type net start bits and hit enter. Then type net start msiserver and hit enter. After that, net start AppiDSvc and hit enter. Now close this window. Again go to search bar, type troubleshoot settings, click here. Then go to other troubleshooters, select Windows Update and run. It will take some time to detect the problem and fix it. After that, close all windows one by one. Go to search bar and type services, click here to open it. On this window, just select this service, right click on it and select properties and select startup type as automatic. Then click on apply and then OK. Again right click on Windows Updates, select properties, and we need to set startup type as automatic. Then save all changes and close this window. Now open File Explorer, then open C drive, then open Windows folder. Here we need to open software distribution folder, then open download folder. Select all these files, right click and just delete them. Now close this window and again go to search bar, type here Chrome, open any web browser. From this site, just copy this. You will get this link from the description below. Just copy and paste, and then now you need to follow my screen. Click here to download the file. Okay, go to desktop. Let's save this one. Click here and select keep. After that, close this window. Now install this setup file, Windows Update Installer. Once done, click on OK. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.